VS9 మీడియాకు స్వాగతం. భద్రాద్రి కొత్తగూడెం జిల్లాలో భారీ స్థాయిలో నిషేధిత గంజాయిని లారీలో అక్రమంగా తరలిస్తుండగా భద్రాద్రి పోలీసులు పట్టుకున్నారు. ఈ విషయమై భద్రాద్రి కొత్తగూడెం జిల్లా ఎస్పీ సునీల్ దత్ భద్రాచలం స్థానిక పోలీస్ స్టేషన్లో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన మీడియా సమావేశంలో వెల్లడించారు. 20వ తేదీ మధ్యాహ్నం 3 గంటల సమయంలో భద్రాచల పట్టణ సిఐ స్వామి ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఎస్ఐ మధుప్రసాద్ తన సిబ్బందితో ఫారెస్ట్ చెక్పోస్ట్ వద్ద వాహనాలు తనిఖీ చేస్తుండగా RJ17 GA 3077 నెంబర్ గల లారీ అనుమానాస్పదంగా కనిపించడంతో తనిఖీ చేయడం జరిగిందని, అందులో అక్రమ రవాణాగా చేస్తున్న గంజాయి 1005 కిలోలు ఉందని, లారీ డ్రైవర్ను క్లీనర్ను అదుపులోకి తీసుకుని గంజాయిని స్వాధీనపరుచుకున్నట్టు తెలిపారు. దీని విలువ సుమారు 2 కోట్ల పైన ఉంటుందని ఎస్పీ వెల్లడించారు.
I have a doubt. Yesterday around 3 p.m. while Inspector Bhadrachalam SHO Swami and SI Madhu along with his team were conducting a vehicle checking at Bhadrachalam checkpost. Suddenly, one lorry bearing number RJ17GA 3077 came from Chintur area, which was stopped by them and checked. So on checking, the lorry was found to be fully loaded with ganja, dry ganja, which was being transported to Madhya Pradesh. On further verification, when Inspector of Police Bhadrachalam inquired from the driver and the cleaner who were transporting this ganja, it was found that one Wasim from Odisha near Silaru, Andhra Pradesh border, he has supplied this ganja to 2 other persons who are supposed to receive it in Madhya Pradesh, in the district called Agar Malwa. The 2 persons receiver, their names are Ishwar Singh and Prem Singh, who would receive this ganja and distribute in various parts of the Madhya Pradesh and further to Delhi or other area. On further checking and verification and then weighing, it was found the ganja was 1005 kgs worth 2 crore 1 lakh rupees. Both of these accused are arrested and they are being produced to the court. In this, what is more important is that the ganja is being regularly caught by our local police, but it is being supplied from the border area of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, especially agency area, Chintur, Malkangiri district of Odisha. Recently, we have seen some people who are even a government employee from Odisha, one assistant revenue inspector and one teacher, assistant revenue inspector named Vishwajit Mali, and one teacher named Irshad Khan, who is a teacher in Konta, Chhattisgarh. They were also found to be indulged in escorting and supplying of ganja. What is expected from all of you and all of us, that ganja menace which is there in the towns and rural area, we have to curb it. We have to ensure that our youth are safe and they do not indulge in these kind of activity. The supply from these areas should be choked. We request that border checkposts in other states are also alert, and they also pass on information, or they should also check regularly so that it does not reach in the chain. So entire this gang, a chain of supply, we are choking up. In this year only, or I would say in 2018, 19, 2020 and 21, so total figure we'll share with you. This year only, we check it's 5,000, it's around 6,000 kg. Ganja was seized in this year only in Bhadradri, Kottagudem district, which would be around 12 crore worth. So in last 4 years, we have seized ganja worth 32 crore, which is coming from the same area and going to different parts of the country. And all those who have been caught, supply is going to various parts, but the supply is from same area, which is agency area, and which is in Sileru and Konavaram and any other parts in these area. If they have information about these people who are the suppliers, when they are moving and all, we will give them reward. We encourage them to share the information with the local police or with us anywhere in the district or in the state also, so that we can take more action and we can ensure that their complete supply is choked. So that's it.